more 9 to 5. What a way to make a living. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, Brenda.